Hello, hi cousins, hi gorgeous, welcome back to Simply Sango. I am in the middle of getting ready to go to the mall. I'm going there to get some soil for my new plant. Some of my plants need to be resoiled and we're out of soil, so we're gonna buy some soil. But yeah, other than that, we're gonna go and look at some shops with my sisters. And yeah, that's about it. Please enjoy. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share. I love it when you share. Whenever you do though, please put hashtag #SingPleaseSango or tag me. Or tag me so that I know that, you know, you guys are sharing. Miete. Okay, so that's the makeup for today. Okay, so I do have a couple of plants that I have added to my collection, so I'm going to give you a quick plant update, although everything with plants with me is never really quick, but yeah. Okay, so this gorgeous baby right here is the Rajo Congo plant. It's a philodendron and it's a Rajo Congo. It's really gorgeous. The soil is kind of loose, so I'm probably gonna repot her. And then we have the Marble Queen Pothos. She is acting weird. I don't know why, but since she came here, her leaves have been yellow. Other than that, I've got her, which is another rubber plant. But how gorgeous is this vase? These are some of the new plants that I have. There are some at the apartment, but I don't know how am I going to take these to the apartment, because these are a lot. There's gang. So yeah, we're gonna go to the mall, so please stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the vlog. Okay, Shinju doesn't want to be vlogged today. See, this is what I'm talking about. A lot of people have been saying please film with Shinju more, but then Shinju's like, no, ew. She's here, but she doesn't want to be filmed. But today we have the beautiful Shizuko Nesan. Is that food? You have jagariko. So we're here. It's windy. You guys know I'm obsessed with Rick and Morty, but oh my god, this Hawaiian shirt is so cute. But I don't wear Hawaiian shirts. Oh, it's so cute. For soil, I was thinking this. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Okay, I'm sorry guys, today's Wednesday. I'm still trying to get used to getting back to the weekly vlog thing, and I skipped 2 days. So basically on Sunday we went to the mall, as you saw in the previous clip. Yeah, I got some stuff. Okay, I'm switched to the iPhone. Please don't mind the dustiness, but I basically repotted her. As you can see, I put a lot of soil in there so that this part isn't wiggly anymore. This is the Rojo Congo. Now my stupid ass was calling it Rojo Congo because I didn't know it was Spanish. But then when you think about it, Rojo is red. So yeah, it is a Rojo Congo. It's beautiful. I can't wait until it's big. It came with a new bud. What is this? A new leaf. And I'm so excited for it to fold open, unfold. This is the pot that I got for my moonshine Sansevieria. She's looking healthy, thank God, because I repotted her and I was like scared to death that she won't survive it. But I got this blue pot because, as you guys saw in my previous chit chat video, I am going for a blue themed kitchen. Not really blue, but a turquoise themed kitchen, and I thought this pot was really pretty and perfect for the kitchen. So yeah. And that's my singing bowl, which my family gets freaked out about. Monday was technically just work. Because we're heading towards Golden Week, we're trying to get as much work done as possible. My day was boring, nothing special, so I didn't vlog. I went to see Seiko to have lunch yesterday, which is Tuesday, and I didn't vlog again, but yeah. You guys remember that time I repotted my pothos that fell during our beach trip? She's thriving right now, and you're probably like, which one is the pothos if you're not a plant person? But this is the pothos, and pothos, don't know how it's pronounced, but she's luscious and she's doing amazing. Hi gorgeous, it is Saturday morning. I'm in Giselle, as you can see, my trusty Suzuki best friend. I'm about to go and pick up Sachiko to do something very exciting today. A friend of mine / first client asked us to plant shop for her somewhere along the business line that I've been wanting to do. So this might be a start of something new, you know what I'm saying? All right, I'm gonna go because the traffic is crazy. So yeah, I'll see you somewhere along the line. Excuse the rumbling, but yeah, bye. The traffic is really bad. No. Good morning, Sachiko.
Morning.
How's your day going?
So. To be honest.
But
we're gonna have a good time.
We're gonna have a good time. That's the vibe. So cute. We're finally at Ozaki Flower Park. We've been here for what, 3 hours now? More? Look how beautiful these plants are. I'm so excited. We're so excited. As you can see, we've already picked up a bunch of things. There's a plate inside. But yeah, and we're about to go to the cashier and head out and go to the apartment, etc. Okay, let's go.
I need you to.
You're not ready to go. She's not ready to go. Important life decisions. I like how you're just petting all of them.
So cute.
Guys, I'm putting the plate back because it costs extra money. But seriously, this place is so exciting. It has so many plants and they're not even that expensive. I would love to take you home. You look, it's so sexy.